In this video, we're going to be talking about Google Alerts, and it can be found at www.google.com/alerts. So once you go to the page, you want to make sure that you're logged in your Google account, which I'm already signed in here. So as you can see, Google Alerts will monitor the web for interesting new content, and that's done by typing in this search field here. So for OSINT purposes, Google Alerts is really handy and interesting tool because we can enter in names of our targets, people's names, businesses, any search criteria that you're looking for on that particular target or targets at the time. As soon as Google comes across it, it'll create an alert for you and email it off to you. So it makes things really handy. So, for example, if I want to create an alert, say I'm searching on Udemy, I can simply type in Udemy, and it's going to pull up a couple. If it has anything right off the bat, it's going to show you the alerts down here, so, and you can click in there. If you click on Show Options, you can set your little bit more granular search criteria, how often you want to search, sources, language, region, how many results, and where to deliver to. Once you set those criteria, you simply just click Create Alert, and it's going to send you an alert for it. If you need to go back to edit it, simply click this little pencil looking icon. It'll take you back in there to edit that search criteria. If it's not working for you, or you want to narrow it down or broaden it later, or if you want to delete it, you can simply click the delete button. So again, this is Google Alerts. A very useful tool for OSINT.